Hi, my name is Ishan Revankar. This is my personal project, Structo, a platform for young coders to practice programming through gamification. As soon as the user logs in, they take into the dashboard where they have their pending challenges, the last test they were practicing, and their group of friends who they can interact with through live games, which is one of the features of this application. So in the browse test, you can see all the dummy tests that I've created. There are three game modes: practice, play, and host. When I enter the practice mode, I have an answer station set up where I can practice the questions live. I can write code in JavaScript, Java, and Python. For example, the question says find the square of the number. So if I write the corresponding code and I run it, it sends the code to the backend and runs the file on the server. And it shows that all three test cases have been passed, and the user can see their output and the required output according to the particular test cases as well. Coming to the second game mode, if I want to challenge my friend to this particular dummy test, I can send it to my friend to a friend. I can send a challenge request to a friend, and it will show up here. And both users have now entered a live game connected to each other by the Socket AI WebSockets. So we can track each other's progress. And for example, if I write correct code here, my progress becomes 50%, and the opponent's progress is shown to have also moved to 50%, and I get a notification motivating me to answer the question at a faster rate. If once I complete the challenge, as it says case 1, 2, and 3 have been failed. So the compiler recognizes the particular error. Here it doesn't match the required output because this is the correct code. And once I run it, it shows that all three test cases have been passed and the test is complete. And I can now end the test, showing that I'm the winner and the opponent has unfortunately lost the game. The third game mode is essentially a live game where in the professional setting, a computer science teacher in the classroom can host a game where multiple students can enter the game live. For example, once I go to the dashboard and I click on the host button, the room code is 960, and these two users can join the game using the room code. As you can see, this is the waiting room, and once I've started the game, the two users have now joined the game, and we can track the leaderboard. And as you complete the questions, your points increase. Yeah. So once the test is done, the teacher essentially gets the update of who's won the game, and then they can download the progress just so they can track individual students' progress. That's my application. A little bit about the tech stack I've used. I've used the MERN stack. So I've used for the backend, I've used Node.js and Express.js. For the database, I've used NoSQL, MongoDB, and for the front end, I've used React.js. Thank you so much.